Hey guys, Tech here from Bodyline Automotive Restyling, and here I am with our 2026 Vanta that we've purchased for all sorts of parts that we're putting on it. But the prize or the hero part that we've got to show you today is our new AEROSHELL Canopy for the GWM Cannon from 2020 to up until whenever they changed the body. So this canopy just came out. It's a fiberglass AEROSHELL Canopy and is really one of our sort of hero products because these have been very successful with the Rangers, the Musos, and now available for the Cannon. This one features plug and play wiring installation into the vehicle, so it's OEM certified, the dealers are buying them, and really easy to install. Now it also has full central lock-in on all the windows, integrated rails for racks that will fit Rhino, Yakima, whatever you want to put on there, our own type of racks that we can put on there. Strong construction, it can carry 330 kilos on top, about 125 or more on the roof, and basically is just a canopy that does everything and for a price that is really reasonable. At the back here we've got a stylish spoiler with an integrated LED light, dark tinted glass, and here we've got a touchpad with a manual override. Now this touchpad only works when the vehicle's open, so it does integrate with your factory key fob. As long as your vehicle's open like it is now, this touchpad works. So to open the rear door, I'll just show you how that works. You touch gently on the touchpad and it opens up, as you can see, and the window comes up. Really good feature. It's got the latches that we put into here are the same type of latches that you get on your vehicle, whether it's your tailgate or your doors. So they're really heavy duty, unlike, let's say, aftermarket canopy latches. These are designed like a vehicle, so they close nicely and they open up really nicely like so. So it's basically the quality that you get. Also featuring a full frame here and heavy duty hinges means this door is rigid. If I try and move this, you cannot move it left to right like on some of the canopies, which are a bit finicky. You know, they're not as they're flimsy, let's say is the word. This is a really heavy duty rear door that closes and shuts really nicely like a vehicle door. Now if I move to the side here, we've got the full-sized glass window, which I reckon looks great. It's probably, in my opinion, it's the best looking canopy for a GWM Cannon on the market. It's tinted. You can see about this much out of it when you're inside, and when you open it, there is nothing. As you can see, it's really sleek. But in here, we've got a button that is hidden and recessed between the cabin and the actual canopy. So what you do is you just put your hand in there, press that, it pops open, waits for you, and then you just lift up. Sometimes they'll lift up depending on the day straight away, but basically it's as easy as that. As long as the vehicle's open, that button works. If the vehicle's closed, you can press that button 100 times and it won't open up. So it's really a good feature. Inside we've got safety manual release, so you just pull that to open up the actual side doors. Likewise, it's the same on the rear, and we do have, if you come over here, we do have a handle at the back, which also does a manual release if you're ever locked inside for all safety reasons. Interior, if I show you in here, fully carpet lined in roof and sides, which looks really nice. We've got an LED light that is turned on with the rear door. You can have it always on, always off, or with the rear door. We've got a front sliding glass on both sides, so you can slide open those glass to clean your cabin rear view glass, or you can let some air in for your dogs or your pets. Clamp-on system using 3 clamps, no drilling to the vehicle, so you can see the 3 clamps on the side there. They clamp on and there's no drilling, so it's really unobstructive. If you were to remove this, you wouldn't know that there's a canopy on there. Apart from that, the fit and finish, as you can see, guarantees that there's no water coming in. These are very water resistant. No water should get into anywhere. Now, as you know, with your GWM Cannons, they do have a pretty big gap on the tailgate, so we can't guarantee that you won't get water in through here, but the canopy itself is waterproof up to here, and then depending on how you install it, as long as you install it well like we do, you will not get water in there. So yeah, this is basically one of our new range of canopies, available in all Cannon colors, all the new colors. This is a pearl white, and available Australia-wide. Now in stock in limited quantity. It's the first shipment we've received. and I think it looks really good. One more thing, you can see the, if you just go over the top there, you can see the integrated rails on the roof. Now every canopy comes with those, they're already pre-bolted, and with that rail channel, it's compatible with pretty much most racks on the market. We haven't tested all of them, but Rhino, Yakima, Wedgetail, our own brand of RCR platforms will work with this canopy. So you can put crossbars, you can put ladder racks, you can put your tents on there, because it will hold 2 people in a tent. And yeah, basically a fully featured canopy. Really good price. Check online to see what the price is. Available from most GWM dealers. Ask for it at the dealer and I will offer you this. We're installing these at the dealerships now. The dealers love them. All our customer feedback has been really good. So yeah, if you're after the most stylish, best looking and fully featured canopy for your GWM Cannon, check out the AEROSHELL range. Jump on the website, give us a call and get one in your color for your Cannon. Thank you for watching.